So the plan is to play the ultimate prank on Russ at his place, which involves re-plumbing his house to kegs of beer.
So every tap's going to have beer running out of it.
It's framed up as the ultimate boys' prank, a house plumbed entirely with beer, and the reaction's been huge.
For some, this may sound too good to be true. Auckland man Russell Brown got the surprise of his life when he found every tap in the house re-plumbed to flow with chilled beer. The video stunt involving his brother Sean, a group of friends and the local brewery has gone viral, racking up over 1 million hits on YouTube in its first 24 hours.
One of the main pranksters in this video is named Sean Brown. He's joining us
just Sean
right this
having a
minute
little
to
gag.
talk to us about this prank. How and why did you guys